if you want to become a YouTuber, or maybe start a YouTube channel for your brand, or maybe grow your existing YouTube channel, I have just a thing for you. Welcome to How to YouTube with me, Viraj Girani. After spending more than 4 years with Filtercopy, working to scale their YouTube and social media, I decided to start my own YouTube channel last year, and in less than 5 months, I grew 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I have acted in, written, directed a lot of YouTube videos, and also worked with a lot of brands such as Netflix, Hotstar, OnePlus, X, and many more. I've had a lot of people asking me about my content creation process and how to grow a YouTube channel. In fact, लोग अभी भी यही पूछते रहते हैं, all the time यही पूछते रहते हैं. So in my journey of content creation, I have seen some highs, I have seen some lows. I've met some amazing people and learned a lot of things from them. So I know what it takes to get there, and now you can too. So here I am sharing my YouTube learnings with you. Creator Viraj is now Teacher Viraj. So in this course, I will tell you how exactly to go about creating content for your own YouTube channel, plan it better, keep a track of your channel and also your competitors, and most importantly, how to post a YouTube video, analyze them, and how to earn money from that YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Let's start the first chapter.